Hi, and welcome back to I Can Grow. Today, we're just going to check up on the garden again.
Really?
We got some new gingers, some raspberries, and some tomatoes.
raspberries.
You know what? Let's play a little game. Let me know in the comment section below how much grams or kilograms tomatoes you think we harvested in the garden so far.
Blueberry. It's a self-grown blueberry. That's the most. And the two that we bought, well, this one does not look so good, but it's because it's a pot. It doesn't have enough drainage. So this one's gonna, this one's not looking too good. But this one has recovered since we give it rhododendron earth. Now, for the actual update, what we're looking for. Juniors really grown well in Germany. Even in our native soil, which is this, just been tilled a little bit, amended slightly. This avocado in the pot, growing or coming back, I should say. It's not looking all too great, but it is coming back, which is a good, fantastic sign. But now, look at this. I just spotted this while cleaning. An avocado grown in our native soil. Crazy. Comes from here. And then, another one. I almost ripped this one out because I thought it was a weed. But yeah, this avocado is my mission now to successfully overwinter them outside. So I'm gonna put something over it, something plastic tarp or something probably, just to keep it warm, and maybe dig a little bit around it to let the moisture seep down and have the warmth in there as well, because I believe they do not have enough capability to fight off frost. So it's the mission, keeping them alive and to let them thrive. Yeah, those gingers, phenomenale. But it only has one stalk. Both of them just only sprouted one huge stalk. Let's get some tomatoes. That was one that fell to the ground. Let's hope it's not. Ooh, it's still good. Awesome. Get this one off. I think we can pretty much get off. Yeah, let's come back with the pot. We can get pretty much the rest of them off there, I think. Let's get this. There, I know there was one on the other side, one over here. There, that was already all the red ones, or slightly red ones. And hanging around. Yeah, we don't need to buy no more tomatoes. I think we're good. Crazy. Spot it through the there. Kadoosh. Oops. Not that bad. Alright, here. Oh. I mean, probably another kilo. And then I spotted this. Holy! Look at the size of these berries. They're not ripe yet. I don't think so. Let's try one of them. But damn, look at the size of this golden raspberry. Crazy. Yes. Never mind, I'm picking those. Yes, please. That is. Please. put a little baby canister right there. It's a little spider with long legs. It ain't gonna do you no harm. Beautiful. 4 golden raspberries. In September. I like it. Those things you could just harvest and harvest and harvest and harvest in a beautiful garden. Let's weigh these babies. Let's build a construct. Yep, I want it. No, I want to build. And as always, remember, if I can grow, what's stopping you? 140 and we're over a kilo.